At this point of the lesson, the students should have a very good idea of how humans have evolved through natural selection, and they should have a good idea about what artificial intelligence is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start a debate protocol. And the first thing the students are going to do is they're going to take a stance. They're going to choose whether the development of artificial intelligence will help the process of human evolution or hinder it. So at this point, they're going to make a claim, and they're going to give two reasons uh, for making that claim. After that, what the students are going to do is they're going to divide up. We're going to get half the students on one side of the room, half the students on the other side of the room, and they're going to be divided up on whether they decided artificial intelligence will help human evolution or whether it will hinder it. And what's going to happen is they're going to partner up with someone that has an opposite viewpoint, and they're each going to have 30 seconds to make their claim. At the end of that 30 seconds, the students will have a choice whether or not they want to flip sides or stay on their own side. They'll also be giving a little bit of time to fill out this table. If they hear a good argument, they might want to jot it down for either side. And this will continue. The students will kind of rotate, and they'll get a new partner, and they'll have 30 seconds to give their arguments once again. And this will go on maybe 10, 12, 15 times, depending on how it goes with the class. If we start getting everyone moving to one side, we might end it a little bit earlier. If it's staying about 50-50, we might keep it going so that students will have an opportunity to hear everyone's viewpoints. After we do that, the students will split up into groups depending on their stance on this topic, and they'll go through several stations. The stations will show ways that artificial intelligence helps out humankind in ways that it hinders it. The first station will be on robotic security. There'll be a short video link and then a series of questions. And these questions are about the advantages and disadvantages of using artificial intelligence to fight crime. The second one will be jobs for robots, and there's a short little cartoon with a description. And the main point of this one is to determine whether artificial intelligence will cause a problem by creating mass unemployment. Station 3 shows conflicting viewpoints of famous scientists in the fields of artificial intelligence. And they're going to read through the different viewpoints of these scientists and try to find evidence from it that supports their claim. Station 4 is on technology dependency. There's a short video, and before they watch the video, there's some anticipatory questions. And Station 5 is titled The Rise of Machines, and this is the potential threat of machines actually becoming more intelligent than humans and possibly maybe possibly taking over humans as the top species on the planet. Some of these technologies are already used in the military, but they're controlled by humans. Eventually, what some people think, though, is when machines are able to think at a higher level than humans, that they'll stop taking orders from humans. And that's the activities that will happen on day 6. Some of this might bleed into day 7 a little bit, and if it does, that's okay. I'll just extend the lesson by another day.